everyone, my name's Shaylee. It's my 29th birthday today. I'm starting with a fresh face that's moisturized, no makeup on yet, but now I'm applying my foundation mixed with some darker concealer because I have a tan on at this time. I applied some concealer under my cheekbones for my contour, and I love this bronzer. It smells so good. If you can get this bronzer, I would get it. I got it from Ulta, and it's running low because I use it literally any day I put on makeup. As you can see, I'm rubbing it all over my face. I'm gonna smell like coconuts after this. Good. Yes, I like this contour palette. A little confused about some of the product in there, but the highlight's nice. And there's my husband. Oh yeah. Now I'm putting lighter concealer under my eyes. My husband really likes when I do this, so I make sure that I do it as often as possible. You'll hear him singing throughout this, by the way. Doing the eyeliner. We're just doing like a soft glam look. Nothing too complicated, because my husband always compliments me the most when I have medium level makeup on. And I really wanted his attention for my birthday, so this is what we went with, like natural glam look. Oh, the joy of putting on eyelashes. It worked out though. Awkward kiss just for you all. Those eyelashes are Demi Wispy's, by the way. I need smaller eyelashes because I guess I have smaller eyes. I don't think the long eyelashes look good on me. I will link the products I use. And that is my husband's lovely voice. I hope to sneak it into more of my videos. If you like my look, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I did end up putting my hair up. I will show you pictures so you can see the full look. I just liked it better with my fur jacket and the dress I had on. This is my full look for my birthday. We went on a cruise. It was a lot of fun. We had a romantic time. So here's your romantic, soft glam birthday look. Please like and subscribe. Kisses!